In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain in Shopify quickly and easily. Transferring your domain to Shopify can streamline your online presence by consolidating your website and domain management in one convenient place, and today, I'll guide you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to your online store settings. From the Shopify admin dashboard, look for the Settings option at the bottom left of the page. Click on it, and then select Domains. This will bring you to the Domain Settings page. Before you can initiate a domain transfer, ensure that the domain you wish to transfer is properly prepared. Head over to the registrar where your domain is currently registered. Make sure that your domain is unlocked. This is crucial because a locked domain cannot be transferred. Additionally, you'll need to disable the privacy protection feature, often referred to as WHOIS privacy, as this feature hides your contact information, which is necessary during the transfer process. Next, while still in your current domain registrar, you'll need to obtain an authorization code, also known as an EPP code or transfer key. This code is essential as it's used to verify that you have the authority to transfer the domain. Every registrar handles the distribution of this code differently, so if you're unsure how to find it, check their help section or get in touch with their support team. Now, switch back to your Shopify admin where you have the domain settings open. Click the Transfer Domain button. This will prompt you to enter the domain you want to transfer into Shopify, so type it in and press Next. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to input that authorization code you've retrieved from your current registrar. Be sure to enter it exactly as it appears, with no extraneous spaces or changes. Once everything looks good, click the Transfer button. After you've initiated the transfer, the process typically takes about 7 to 10 days to complete. During this time, be sure to keep an eye on your email. You'll likely receive a confirmation email from your current registrar requiring you to authorize the transfer. This is a critical step, so don't overlook it. After the transfer is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message from Shopify, and you'll then see your domain listed under the Domains section of your Shopify admin. At this point, you have successfully transferred your domain to Shopify, allowing you to manage everything all in one platform efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can smoothly transfer your domain to Shopify, helping you streamline your operations and focus on growing your business. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!